Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to another update video. So, 2 weeks ago, I jumped on and gave you guys an update. A lot has happened from that time to now. So, I just wanted to jump on and let you guys know what was going on. So, first things first, for the day, my account is up 0.53%. And also, after hours, it is up 0.27%. So, my account ascended based on just buying when others are fearful, buying in the red, and then knowing that the fear and the selling doesn't last long, and then eventually people turn around and they buy quality companies at really good prices. So that's what I did. You can consider the great investor Warren Buffett, who said, buy when others are fearful and sell when others are greedy. And that's what I did. I bought when others are fearful. I was fearful myself, buying these stocks at like severely. Stocks were down 20%, some stocks were down 30%. The market overall was down about 15%, which is a correction. It's not a crash, it was a correction. And I bought. The fear and greed index was at 4 when I bought in. The VIX hit 50. And all those were just my signal to buy. A lot of people were crying about, hey, the stock market is dead, tariffs and all this other stuff. I'm out of investing. People sold. But that's the time where you buy. I sat through COVID in 2020. I missed that opportunity. I sat through 2022 when the interest rates were going crazy, and also the tech, they're reporting bad earnings. It was somewhat of a tech bubble then. And then in 2025, I refused to sit down and just watch qualities companies be at discounted prices and not do anything. So I bought, I got loans, as a matter of fact. Some will call me crazy, but it was just having that conviction that, hey, these things, these opportunities don't last long and you have to capitalize on that. So for the week, I am up 11%. For the month, I am up 40%. For the 3 months, I am up 1,000. And year to date, I am up 100. So there's still a lot of growth to go from this portfolio. So first things first, MU. These are long-term contracts. You can call these leaps. These expire next year, January 2026. MU, I bought this when it was at $65. And now MU is at $80. MU, once upon a time, was trading near $100 in February. And then, with all the terrorist talks and, stocks falling, MU went as low as $65, which was a steal, a complete steal. So I bought the leaps on that. And my price target for this is $100. I may be tempted to sell at 95 because you just never know what's going to happen. But I am enjoying the profits on MU. Also, I have 3 of these semi leaps of NVIDIA. And NVIDIA went down. I got into this when NVIDIA was at 105. And then I also doubled down when NVIDIA was at like 95 or something like that. So just 3 contracts of these. This is almost my position in AMD, which I'll show you in a few, and also enjoying the rewards of buying in the red. And NVIDIA earlier this year was in the 120s, 130s. So that may be my price target. I may be tempted to sell this in the 130s, but I do think that we'll get to 120 soon, especially as Nvidia reports earnings. Um, when does we report? So at the end of this month, later on this month, Nvidia will be reporting earnings. So I'm gonna hold on to the stock then, and let's see what it does there. So to my stock of the year, you guys know that I've been buying AMD, and I am at 75 shares. The last time I did a video, I was at 70 shares, so now I'm at 75. So every check, every 2 weeks, I try to dispatch at least $500 to buy 5 shares of AMD. My short-term goal is to get to 100 shares, and once I get to that, I'll look to invest in another company. I'll just let this position just do what it's supposed to do. So AMD has their earnings tomorrow. So this may be the reason why, this stock has been trending to the upside. But we still have a lot of room to run, because last year when Nvidia went on that magical run, AMD was tanking, and at that time, or a little bit before then, AMD was Nvidia's, you can say little brother, or just a stock that would trade with Nvidia. It would be a stock. If Nvidia was going up, AMD was going up. But last year, AMD just missed the bus. It missed the train, and it actually went the opposite way. So now we think that AMD, they got situated, and now us investors believe that there is some upside. We're not expecting it to do an Nvidia run. Although it would be nice if it does that Nvidia run, but we are expecting some upward movement. So tomorrow I will make another update video, just with the results of the earnings. I did that last time, and it was kind of frustrating because the stock tanked significantly, and as an investor, you want to see the price go up. So I have about $368.75 of buying power. I am option trading, so that money is used for that. So I will be jumping on tomorrow to let you guys know the overall, the feeling of the earnings tomorrow. So I hope that we go up, because we've been buying AMD this dip for at least I've been buying it since December, and we're already in May. So that is a good 6 months. So I'm ready to see the money grow, and yeah. So that's the update video. As you can see, my portfolio is very chip heavy, as I believe in AI and I believe in tech. So, all right, guys, I just wanted to jump on, let you guys know what's going on, and then I will catch you guys tomorrow with an update on the earnings. All right, bye.